What's up, guys? Welcome back to another reaction. This time it's Coldrain Vengeance. Coldrain was featured on the Supernatural song called Supernatural by Noisemaker. And I like this screaming. So yeah, I'm like, let's react to him. I don't know if it's a band or just one person, but let's react to him like on a solo track. Man, this is dope. This is really dope. I love. He has a great singing voice. I really enjoy it. And then with the screams in between, yeah, that's just what makes great music. Like not just singing all the time or just only screams all the time. Just mix it up, you know. That's the best thing. Maybe like a breakdown or something. Then man, then you got me.
Maybe something more, maybe something less. In my soul, I know I can try to find a way to heal, but this pain, it tells me where to go. What to do? I'll make you pay, make you pay, until your heart stops to me, wishing you were dead. 'Cause tonight, or soon, won't be all that you lose. I'll make you pay for what you did.
Yeah, Coldrain is the band. It's not just one guy. Are they an Asian band? I'm not sure. And which country are they from? Let me know in the comments. So far, I'm really enjoying this one. I'm really happy I reacted to it.
There's no other way to end this pain and sorrow. Take me to that place, take me to tomorrow. How could I ever forget when I cannot forget? Take me to that place, take me to tomorrow. Take me to tomorrow.
Sorry that I paused now. I'm gonna repeat it, but I like this build up. And I also heard like the screaming all the way in the back. Let's go.
To that place, take me to tomorrow. Take me to tomorrow. I'll make you pay, make you pay, until your heart stops to me, wishing you were dead. 'Cause tonight,
So yeah, I didn't talk about the video clip at all, but finally clicked at the end. Like it was like those guys. I don't know. It's like a mafia, yakuza, or whatever. Killed her man. I don't know, man, brother, could be anything. But every time she like encountered one of those guys, uh, she died. But it was all in her dream, so she actually saw the future. And at the end, she just knew what was gonna happen. You know, just walk by, boom, shoot one, and then shoot the boss on his hand. You know, like shoot the gun out of his hand, and then finally win. And that's why it's called vengeance. You know, like taking revenge. Yeah, dope. Yeah, this song is insane, but I already said it. I love this. So yeah. Which coldrain song shall I react to next? If you like my reaction, please like the video. It's gonna help me a lot. And if you want to see more of me reacting to music, please subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye bye.